It has been said that giving an effective university lecture requires the boldness to make some strong predictions about the future. I might suggest that President Paxson has put me in a slightly embarrassing position today by inviting me to return to speak on the Brown campus. The challenge with coming back to give a second lecture is that you have to explain what you got wrong the first time. As I look back over some 18 years now to 1996, I think I actually underestimated how many things would change in the years ahead. If you were a student at Brown 18 years ago, you would not have had any Facebook friends. And you wouldn't be following anyone on Twitter. And even more sadly, perhaps, no one would be following you. There was no instant messaging at that time. Indeed, as I recall, people actually used their telephone primarily for talking.